Let's take a look at a project called the Lively Kernel, or just Lively Kernel, from Sun Research. It's created by, or the project is led by Dan Ingalls, who is one of the creators or founders of Smalltalk. It's all JavaScript. It's a graphical user interface purely made out of JavaScript. It's the most JavaScript-heavy web page you've ever encountered. And it uses the graphical user interface, which we've seen from Self and from Squeak, called Morphic, with composable morphs, projects. It looks similar to eToys, this kind of thing, and there's a reason for that because it's made using Morphic. So it comes with lots of widgets, as you can see here. A stock widget, a 3D sun logo which moves around. I don't think some of these come exactly connected to the internet. Maybe they do. Some of them don't interest me that much. Asteroids does. I'm a big fan of Asteroids. So you can play Asteroids on the Lively kernel. Oh, lost that ship. There we go. Now we're in the game. Another demo is this multiple pistons example, where you can change the number of pistons and instantly the page is redrawn. See, if you click on one of those buttons, it's like a project in eToys or Squeak. You just move to another area. So even though it's written with JavaScript, it's using the Morphic graphical user interface. So we're looking at some programming tools here. Browsers, pretty typical of the kind of thing you see in Smalltalk. And you may think, well, what's going on? How does this work? Basically, like I say, it's a glorified web page. If you download the sources, open up Kernel, and look for index.html, just like you would with any web page to get started, drag that into Safari, and I recommend Safari because I don't think this works equally on all browsers. Then bang, up comes the Lively kernel. So this is an interesting project on just how much you can actually do with JavaScript, which is make a whole graphical user interface.